Introducing the pinnacle of modern bathroom design. All-in-one bathtub with rock texture. The world's only manufacturing process. Patented design brings unique visual and tactile enjoyment. Focus on the high-end immersive experience of returning to nature. Amazing stain resistance and easy cleaning features. The high-strength composite material gives this bathtub super impact resistance. It is difficult to make scratches on the bathtub, and it is still as new after collision and scratching. This bathtub will give you a unique physical and mental experience. The intoxicating and completely relaxing pleasant bathing experience starts from now